show you how to customize the new Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 Start menu. Now, there's a lot of confusion with the new Windows 8 Start menu, and a lot of people don't like Windows 8 because of the Windows 8 Start menu. I happen to like it. I think it takes a little time to get used to, but once you get used to using it, it's actually quite fun and intuitive. The first thing that I'm going to show you how to do is to create shortcuts to your favorite programs. And some may ask, where are the programs on the new Windows 8 Start menu? Where do I find the All Programs menu that I used to have with Windows 7 or Vista or XP? And to answer that question, it's pretty simple. At the bottom of the Start menu is a little arrow. When you click on this, you'll be presented with all of your applications and your programs that you have installed on your computer. Now, there's an imaginary line basically that divides the apps, which are the programs or applications that you download from the App Store here, and then there are programs like Microsoft Office with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any third-party program that you may have installed. Those will show up in your list of programs here on the right. It's kind of divided here and on the right side. So basically you've got all your apps here. They're listed alphabetically and categorized. And then on the right here, you've got all your real programs that are installed that you may have installed yourself or that came pre-installed. Now, to manipulate the Start menu, say you wanted to move some of these icons around, you simply click on them with your left click and hold, and then drag the icon wherever you'd like it to go. Now, to resize an icon, you right click on it with your mouse, or if you have a touch panel, you push and hold, and you'll be presented with options down at the bottom of the screen here, where you can unpin the program from the Start menu. For this PC icon, we're presented with the Manage and Properties also. But let me grab another icon here that's a little more normal here. We'll take Microsoft Word, for example. You can right-click and go to Resize and make that a little bit larger, or push and hold, and you'll be presented with some other options down at the bottom. Pin to taskbar. I believe that option is here as well. Yes, when you right-click on it, you have the same options as if you were to push and hold. The difference between pushing and holding is it's more finger-friendly, and that was the idea that Microsoft had, is to make it a little bit more easy to maneuver with your fingers rather than so precise as with a mouse. And the right-click, you have your options to unpin from Start. So, say for instance, I want to put those back on there. You scroll through your list of applications here, and you find Microsoft Office, there at Office 2013, and you can select multiple icons by holding the Control key and then selecting the icons that you like or the programs that you like to pin. And then once you have them selected, you right-click and select Pin to Start. And then you can right-click again and resize. And again, if you have a touch panel or maybe one of those convertible tablets, you can push and hold, and you're given the same options here. So choose Resize, go to Small. Some of these icons here are put on by default when you first start up Windows 8, and it's kind of annoying to have so many. I've already removed mine, but I'm going to show you how to do that. To some of them here, this health and fitness, games, finance, and travel. They just kind of, to me, they clutter up your Start menu, and I like to see a nice organized Start menu, so I just select them and choose Unpin from Start. Now, if you've got a touch panel, you can push and hold and select multiple ones by touching whichever one you'd like to remove, and then select unpin from start. Now, as you notice here, when you right click, you can also name your groups. You can create different groups for, you know, maybe your favorites, icons, or your say you've got special programs that you use for work if you're working remotely from home, and that type of thing. So you can create different groups, and that is quite nice also. And you can see here, if you drag further, when you grab an icon and drag it further, it basically will create an additional group. So now I've got a group over here. So there's a lot of customization that you can do with the new Windows 8 Start menu. You can also turn off the live content if you don't like to see things changing. Here you're updating your weather or whatever it is. I kind of like it. I think it adds to the feel of your computer, kind of making it your own. That's really all there is to it. It's pretty easy, like I said, once you get used to it. To uninstall an app, so you didn't want this here, you could right click on it, see, and choose uninstall. That's also gives you the same options for your programs, but that can be done a different way. I'll cover that in another video, but for now, that's a quick example of how to use the new Windows 8 Start menu. And go ahead and have fun and customize it the way you like to see it.